Hello everyone, welcome back to WP Talk channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future updates. And I want to say a big thank you to my regular subscribers. Your support means everything to me. Today we are going back to basics. For those of you who prefer the old school way of doing things, we are going to talk about how you can enable classic editor on WordPress website. Since the introduction of Gutenberg, or the block editor as is more commonly known, in WordPress 5.0, things have changed quite a bit. Some users have found it revolutionary, while others still prefer the simplicity and familiarity of the classic editor. So if you are one of the latter, don't worry, WordPress still has your back. You can enable the old classic editor with or without using a plugin. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so just like I said earlier, you can enable classic editor in two ways, with or without plugins. So we are going to start with the plugin method. Alright, so to get started, log into your WordPress dashboard, then go to plugin, click on add new. Right, so once you click on add new, you see classic editor as the first plugin. Alright, so all you need to do is to install and activate the plugin. So as you can see, the classic editor plugin is currently activated. Then you just need to click on settings to set a default editor. So as you can see, is this default editor here. So if you would like to allow users to switch editors, you can select yes, and if you don't want users to switch editor, just leave it at no. Alright, so this is the default once you install the classic editor plugin. So if you want to make a post or make a new page, let's check. You can see it's the default is classic editor, right? Okay, so that's the first method. Now the next method is without using the plugin. So I like this part because I always try to ensure that I minimize the number of plugins that I use on any website that I'm working on. And in my last video, I discussed how you can install chiding, right? So this is where it is useful. This is one of the useful the advantages of having a chiding on your WordPress website. So let's get right into that. Alright, so as you can see, I just deactivated the classic editor so that we can make use of the second method, which is without plugin. And as you can see, the editor is now back to Gutenberg editor, which is also known as block editor. Alright, so to enable classic editor without plugin, so all you have to do is to make sure that make sure that you are using a chaitin on your website. Okay, just like I've shown you the last time in my previous video. If you miss it, you can check the link in the description. Alright, so make sure that you have the chaitin. So here we have the Elementor chaitin installed. So just go to theme file editor right here under appearance. Alright, then you will see, make sure that the child theme is the one selected. If not, you can just make the changes here and click on select. Alright, so after that, click on theme functions, the functions.php. Alright, then scroll down. Don't worry about all these codes. These are auto-generated by the child theme configurator plugin, which we use to create this theme, this child theme. Then the next thing is to enter just a line of code right here. Don't worry, I'm going to paste the line of code for you to make use of. Just paste the line of code in your functions.php, the function.php of your child theme. Alright, so once you add that, just click on update file. So this we minimize the number of plugins that you have on your website. All right, so once you update that, you can, you know, go back to your page. Let me reload so you can see. So as you can see, it's back to classic editor. So whenever you want to make a new post as well, you will realize that it is classic editor by default. Alright, so that's it guys. If you find this video helpful, please kindly share with your friends and whomsoever that you think might need it. And I hope to see you in my next video. Alright guys, bye.